Frostbite for your pipes? Here's the game changer you need. It's the middle of winter, and you're getting ready for a hot shower, when you realize your water isn't flowing. Panic sets in. You check the pipes, and it hits you. Frozen pipes. A nightmare for any homeowner, but what can you do? The temperature keeps dropping, and the risk of bursting pipes seems imminent. That's where the Frost King HC3A automatic heating cable kit comes in. Designed to protect pipes in temperatures as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit, it's your first line of defense against the cold that could wreak havoc on your plumbing. The biggest challenge with winterizing pipes is constant monitoring. You don't want to have to remember to turn something on every time the temperature drops. Enter the Frost King heating cable, with a built-in thermostat that kicks in when the temperature dips. This means no more wasted energy or constant vigilance on your part. It's as easy as plugging it in and forgetting it. Plus, with its simple installation and automatic functionality, it's an easy and effective fix for any frozen pipe worries, offering long-term protection with minimal effort. Every year, homeowners face expensive plumbing bills from burst pipes caused by freezing. The repair costs can be massive, not to mention the water damage. Frost King's heating cables offer an affordable solution to avoid that nightmare. You simply install them along your water pipes, and the built-in thermostat does the rest, keeping your pipes at optimal temperatures. No more hefty repair costs. This product is a small investment that can save you thousands over the course of just one winter season. Why risk it when a reliable and cost-effective solution is at your fingertips? The best part about the Frost King HC3A heating cable is its reliability. It's designed to work with both metal and plastic pipes, meaning it covers all the bases. It heats up quickly and works efficiently even in extreme temperatures. With a power indicator light to show it's working and an easy-to-install design, it's user-friendly yet tough enough for the coldest climates. Whether you're protecting pipes in a home, vacation cabin, or industrial property, this cable ensures your water supply stays unfrozen, and your stress levels stay low. When it comes to pipe insulation and protection, Frost King has been leading the way for nearly a century. Known for innovation and quality, they offer products that homeowners trust to protect their homes from the harshest conditions. The HC3A automatic heating cable kit is no exception. Backed by years of expertise and proven to prevent freezing in the most extreme temperatures, Frost King's solution offers peace of mind and dependable protection. When the cold rolls in, let Frost King guard your pipes, saving you time, money, and the frustration of winter plumbing problems.